Playing a sport is a fun and healthy activity. It helps us stay strong, learn teamwork, and have a good time. Many people around the world love sports. Some play for fun and some play in teams. Some people play sports every day. Others play only on weekends. But no matter how often, playing a sport is good for everyone. Today, I want to talk about why playing a sport is important, what sport I like, how I practice, and what I learn from it. Why people play sports? There are many reasons why people play sports. One big reason is health. When we play sports, we move our bodies. This helps our hearts, muscles, and bones. It also helps us sleep better and feel more awake during the day. Another reason is fun. Sports are exciting. We run, jump, and play with others. We enjoy the game and forget about problems. Sports help us feel happy. Some people play sports to make new friends. When we play in a team, we meet other players. We talk, laugh, and work together. This helps us feel part of a group. Some people play sports to learn new skills. Every sport has rules. We must learn how to play, how to follow rules, and how to do our best. These skills help us in life too. The sport I like. The sport I like most is basketball. I started playing basketball when I was 10 years old. At first, I didn't know how to play well, but I liked running and shooting the ball. I liked the sound when the ball goes into the hoop. Now, I play basketball 2 or 3 times a week. I play after school with my friends. Sometimes we play at the school court. Sometimes we play at the park near my home. Basketball is a fast game. We run, pass, shoot, and try to score points. There are 2 teams. Each team tries to put the ball into the other team's basket. The team with more points wins the game. What I need for basketball. To play basketball, I need a few things. First, I need a basketball. It is round and orange. It must bounce well. Then, I need good shoes. Basketball shoes are strong. They help me run and jump. I also wear sports clothes like a t-shirt and shorts. I also need a place to play. A basketball court has a flat floor, 2 baskets, and white lines. The basket is high, so I must jump high to shoot. We also need a team. Sometimes I play 2 versus 2 or 3 versus 3. In school games, we play 5 versus 5. How I practice is. To play better, I practice often. I do warm-up exercises before playing. I stretch my arms and legs. I run a little to get ready. Then I work on my skills. I practice dribbling. I bounce the ball with one hand, then the other. I try to move fast while dribbling. Then I practice shooting. I stand close to the basket and shoot. Then I move farther and shoot again. I try many times to get better. I also practice passing. I pass the ball to my friend. He passes it back. We do chest passes, bounce passes, and overhead passes. Good passing helps the team play better. After practicing, we play a short game. We use the skills we practiced. We try to score points and help our team. What I learn from basketball. Basketball teaches me many things. First, it teaches me to work hard. I must practice to improve. If I miss a shot, I try again. If I fall, I get up and keep playing. Second, basketball teaches me teamwork. I cannot win alone. I must pass the ball and help my team. I must listen to others and share the game. Third, basketball teaches me to follow rules. If I break the rules, the other team gets the ball. I must be fair and honest. I also learn to be a good winner and a good loser. If we win, we say, "Good game." If we lose, we say, "Well done" to the other team. Sports and health. Playing a sport helps my body. I feel stronger and faster. My arms and legs are active. I do not feel tired during the day. I sleep better at night. Sports also help my mind. When I play, I feel happy. I forget about stress. I think clearly and feel more confident. I also feel proud when I do well. Sports help me make better choices. I eat healthy food and drink more water. I try to stay active, not lazy. I also try to be on time and be responsible. Playing sports with others is? Playing with others is fun. My friends and I enjoy playing together. We help each other. We also learn from each other. If one friend plays better, I ask how he does it. If I learn a new move, I show my team. We also talk before and after the game. We say what we liked and how to play better next time. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but we always have fun. Other sports I like. Besides basketball, I like other sports too. I like soccer. It is also a team sport. We kick the ball and try to score goals. I play soccer at school during break time. I also enjoy table tennis. It is a fast game with a small ball. It helps me focus and move quickly. I play it indoors when it is raining outside. Sometimes I go swimming. Swimming is good for my whole body. I feel fresh after swimming. I also like running. Running is simple and helps me stay fit. My dream. One day, I want to join a school team. I want to play in a big game. I want to wear a team uniform and hear people cheer. I want to work with my team and do my best. Maybe I will become a coach in the future. I want to teach young kids how to play. I want to help them love sports like I do. Playing a sport is one of the best things in life. It helps our body, our mind, and our heart. It makes us strong, happy, and friendly. We learn many lessons from sports. We learn to try hard, be fair, and work as a team. My favourite sport is basketball. It gives me joy and energy. I love playing it with friends and family. I also like watching basketball games and learning from great players. I think everyone should try a sport. It does not matter if you are fast or slow. What matters is that you try and enjoy. So get a ball, find a place, and start playing. You will feel better, stronger, and happier.